Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Major League Baseball superstar and great Mike Trout of the Los Angeles Angels. Mike Trout is one of the best players of all time, actually. He was drafted in 2012 and was the Rookie of the Year for the Angels. We're going to find the center of our page right here. We're going to draw Mike Trout's head in this area right here. So here we go. We're going to get our black markers. We're going to do an arch for the brim of the hat. And then we're going to draw the hat on top. Here we go. Kind of up, curve down to the brim of the hat there. And we're going to draw Mike Trout's chin right here, starting at the hat, come out, down to the chin, bring that chin up, square jaw, and into the hat. Do a couple of ears poking out on the side. Alrighty, let's bring this hat around to the head. Kind of wraps around the head. We can color that in black actually, just so it shows how the hat wraps around the head. Alright, let's do the neck. We'll do 2 lines, 1, 2. Mike Trout's got kind of a wider neck. He's a big, muscly guy. So let's bring the neckline down to a point. Down to a point. Shoulder goes out. Shoulder goes out. As you can tell, the shoulders are coming right out from the neck area. Like I said before, he's kind of a short, stocky, muscly baseball player. So let's bring that sleeve down. The other sleeve come down. In. We'll bring it down to the waist. So come down to the waist. Come down inward to the waist. Straight across. We'll do a little belt right here. Belt. Let's do a buckle. The buckle comes out, this rectangle, and then bring that belt over to the waist area. Okay, we're gonna do a big baseball right here. Let's do a big circle and stop. I lift a little gap right here. We're gonna do 2 fingers. 1, 2. And then we'll do circles. 1, 2, and a thumb. So it's like he's holding the baseball, right? So let's do his arms coming into the baseball. His arm coming into that baseball right there. Okay, and over here, let's draw a elbow, forearm down, and this forearm down to the wrist. Maybe we'll do this rounded kind of fist he's making. And it's going to be leaning on this baseball bat. So 2 little arches here, coming down to a big baseball bat up. Cool. He's like leaning on that baseball bat. So let's draw the legs. Round and up. Round and up to the waist. His ankles, 2 lines down, ankles, 2 lines down. Let's connect those with a little arch. Let's do these big shoes, these cleats. 1, these are the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Now this goes behind the bat, so nothing's drawn there, okay? So leave that. Do a big cleat straight across to the ankle and up. Bring this ankle down, straight across into that bat and stop. Come across that bat, up and into the bat there. Cool, looking good. All right, so let's do a couple eyes here. Mike Trout's got this kind of cool smile. He's got these little eyes that squint, so I'm gonna go an arch, go up, and down. Go up and down. Okay. And now let's do his smile right here, down here. So we're gonna go up and down and up. Down and connect. There we go. His nose. Okay. So in here we'll do his eyes. We'll leave a white circle. Leave that white circle. Okay. All right. So we've got the outline of our Mike Trout. Make sure he's in the frame here. Let's slide it up. Okay. And we're gonna fast forward and color this. We're gonna do a red jersey. Actually, let's do the Angels logo while we're here on the hat and on the shirt here. So let's get a dark blue. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Get a blue. And we're going to do a peak like that. And then goes around. That'll be the halo. Then come down, out, down. Same thing on this side. Down, out to a point, down on an angle. There we go. And in here we'll do the A. And we'll do the same thing up here if we can. It'll be a little smaller, so do a peak, around, down and out. Okay, so that's our basic outline, and now we're gonna do a red jersey. We're gonna leave white pants, white cleats, some stripes, a baseball, color the baseball bat, flesh color tones, and we should be finished with our Mike Trout drawing. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We love to see if you guys appreciate our drawings and like to draw with us. Let us know on social media and Instagram, TikTok, Facebook if you have any players you'd like to see. So fast forward now.